There we go. Now we're recording. We're gonna put some of this monomer in here. In this here little dipping dish. Ooh, this monomer's purple. Gotta love the smell of monomer. I gotta have the Maya Secret monomer right there. I don't know if you can see that. I got that. And we have the Maya Secret clear acrylic powder. Okay. Of course I would get, I'm gonna use my Kiss brush that came in the acrylic kit. I gotta get my paper towel here. There we go. Can y'all see this? I think you can. I don't know what I'm doing. Do 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 do. Little Genie. I'm supposed to be just fixing this one. That's all I want to do. But, gotta get this laid down a little flatter. I don't know. I'm not a certified, licensed nail technician. I'll just try and play around and have fun. And I guess you just let this stuff dry. I don't know what you do with the whole monomer stuff. Maybe it's kind of like dip powder. Make sure, try and keep this brush as clean as I can. Yep, I guess. I don't know. But maybe we should. Y'all let me know in the comments what I should do, what I shouldn't do. See if we need to activate this. Let's see here. I think that's a good thing. I don't know. We'll see. Leave that there like that. You know what I really want to go get though, y'all? I'm going to get what I got for Christmas. I'm going to pick up what I got for Christmas out of the living room, y'all. Wow. Put this in the trash. Look at that. Got a lot of work to be done on this hair thing. All kinds of stuff on the other side of it.